Dialogue. This dialogue is between Julia, a recent immigrant in Australia, and Sam, a bank representative. Julia wants advice on opening a bank account and understanding her options for saving and managing her money. The dialogue begins now.
Good afternoon, Julia. I understand you're looking to open a new bank account with us.
Magandang hapon, Julia. Naiintindihan ko na gusto mong magbukas ng bagong bank account sa amin.
Magandang hapon, Sam. Yes, kailangan ko ng bank account. Kakadating ko lang sa Australia at gusto kong ayusin ang finances ko.
Good afternoon, Sam. Yes, I need a bank account. I just arrived in Australia and I want to organize my finances.
Great. We have several types of accounts. A savings account is good for earning interest, while a transaction account is ideal for everyday purchases. Do you know which type you need?
Ayos! Mayroon kaming iba't ibang klase ng accounts. Maganda ang savings account kung gusto mong kumita ng interest, habang ang transaction account naman ay para sa pang-araw-araw na gastos. Alam mo na ba kung alin ang kailangan mo?
Gusto ko sana ng account na makakatulong sa pag-ipon at kumita ng interest, pero kailangan ko rin ng madaling access sa pera ko.
I would like an account that helps me save and earn interest, but I also need easy access to my money.
In that case, we offer a flexible savings account that gives you access to your money and pays monthly interest. You could also consider a term deposit if you're looking to save long-term without withdrawing frequently.
Kung ganon, may flexible savings account kami na nagbibigay ng access sa pera mo at may buwan ng interest. Pwede ka ring mag-consider ng term deposit kung gusto mong mag-ipon ng pangmatagalan nang hindi madalas nagwi-withdraw.
Hey, if you are enjoying this content and would like to see more and support my channel, please hit the subscribe button.
Ayos yan. Pero ano ba ang pinagkaiba ng savings account at term deposit?
That sounds good, but what's the difference between a savings account and a term deposit?
A term deposit locks in your money for a fixed period, usually with a higher interest rate. With a savings account, you have more flexibility but slightly lower interest.
Ang term deposit ay nakakandado ang pera mo sa isang fixed period, karaniwan may mas mataas na interest rate. Sa savings account naman, mas flexible pero medyo mas mababa ang interest.
Gets ko. Gusto ko rin sanang malaman tungkol sa international transfers. Pwede bang magpadala ng pera sa pamilya ko sa bansa namin?
I see. I'd also like to know about international transfers. Can I send money to my family back in my country?
Absolutely. Our bank offers international transfers, and you can use online banking or visit a branch to do so. We also have competitive exchange rates and a low transfer fee.
Oo naman. Nag-aalok ang bangko namin ng international transfers, at pwede mo itong gawin gamit ang online banking o pumunta sa branch. May competitive exchange rates din kami at mababang transfer fee.
Perfect. At isa pa, may tips ba kayo kung paano makapagsimula sa pagbuo ng credit history dito sa Australia?
Perfect. And one more thing. Do you have any tips on how to start building a credit history here in Australia?
Yes, building a credit history is important. You can start by using a low-limit credit card and making sure you pay it off each month. This will show a positive credit record, which could help if you ever want a loan or mortgage.
Oo, mahalaga ang pagbuo ng credit history. Pwede kang magsimula sa paggamit ng low-limit credit card at siguraduhin mong mababayaran ito bawat buwan. Ipapakita nito ang positive credit record na makakatulong kung balang araw gusto mong umutang o kumuha ng mortgage.
Salamat, Sam. Ang laki ng naitulong mo para maintindihan ko ang options ko dito.
Thank you, Sam. You've been a big help in making me understand my options here.
My pleasure, Julia. Let us know if you have any questions in the future.
Walang anuman, Julia. Sabihin mo lang sa amin kung may iba ka pang tanong sa hinaharap.